Welcome to today's custom-tailored deep dive. We have a very specific mission for you today.
Right. We are looking directly at a product page from HDTV Supply.
Yeah, specifically for a piece of AV equipment called the Intelix INT-USB2-50C.
It's a USB 2.0 high-speed extender, the client side, to be exact.
And it is currently priced at $103.74.
Okay, let's unpack this, because I know it sounds like a massive mouthful of tech jargon.
Oh, it definitely does.
But this device actually solves a massive everyday headache for anyone setting up a room for modern communication.
It really tackles a universal tech frustration.
The distance limit.
Exactly. Anyone setting up a commercial space knows this. Standard USB cables have a very strict physical limitation. They typically max out at just 5 meters.
Which is nothing.
It's nothing at all. You lose signal fast.
Sure.
What's fascinating here is how this Intelix device completely shatters that limit. It extends the reach of your USB 2.0 peripherals up to a massive 50 meters.
50 meters.
Yes, and it does it by using a standard CT6 cable. So imagine you are trying to wire web cameras or disk drives or microphones across a huge room. This extender makes that physical distance totally irrelevant.
It completely changes the game for large room setups.
Here's where it gets really interesting. Because running a signal that far is one thing, but it doesn't just extend this signal.
No, it acts as a two-port powered USB hub.
Right. Power over that distance is usually the catch.
But the specs show it delivers a full 480 milliamps of power to each peripheral. It can even power those devices without a host connection on the other end.
That is incredibly efficient.
It is. Plus, it handles high speeds up to 480 megabits per second, and it specifically supports isochronous data transfer.
Which means it guarantees the bandwidth.
Exactly. It creates a dedicated lane for time-sensitive data, so your audio and video stay perfectly in sync without dropping frames.
And for you, as the user or installer, the ultimate convenience factor is that it's entirely plug and play.
Right, no proprietary software.
No driver installation is needed at all. You plug it in, and it's ready to use platforms like Zoom, Teams, YouTube, or FaceTime.
It just works natively.
So what does this all mean for your own AV or workspace needs?
If we connect this to the bigger picture, it offers ultimate flexibility. The unit has this really sleek, commercial-grade housing.
And it pairs natively with host extenders.
Yes, you have the option to pair it with either standard or wall plate host extenders.
Like the INT-USB2-50H.
Or the 50HWP, which means you can hide the entire tech backbone in the walls. It is perfect for complex medical, educational, and commercial environments.
It effortlessly bridges the gap between hardware limitations and our actual need to connect.
It does. And this raises an important question. As these hidden bridge devices seamlessly extend our physical tech limitations up to 50 meters, how will the very architecture of our future workspaces evolve when physical proximity to our computers is no longer a requirement?